Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about case sensitivity of PHP. In PHP, variables are case sensitive and functions or method names are case insensitive. So let's see them using an example. In this program, we have a function known as myFunction. It will print function called whenever it gets called. After that, we do have a variable known as myvar which holds value 5. In the next line, we are trying to call my function as it is declared in terms of case sensitive. The f is capitalized here and f is also capitalized here and everything is in initials. So it will print function called on browser or on output, and then on the next line we are trying to print my function, and this time using capitalized letters. It will also print function called because function names are case insensitive. On the next line we are trying to call myvar. It will print 5, but when we try to capitalize the myvar, it will not print anything because variable names are case sensitive.